Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today's recipe is a delicious mussel sukka prepared using Rovina's chicken sukka masala. My masala powders are available online. I will share the link in the description box. My masala powders are free from artificial flavors and colors and homemade. Here you can see fresh mussels. Mussels are commonly found attached to the rocks along the riverbanks or sea rocks and even the mangrove roots. Hidden inside these hard shell is this tender flesh that seafood lovers enjoy. Harvesting and cleaning mussels requires skill and patience, as breaking open these shells and removing the flesh is not an easy task as it looks. Let's start by cooking the mussels with little salt and very little water, as mussels naturally release plenty of liquid while cooking. Mussels cook very fast. Now I will drain the water and keep aside the cooked mussels. I am using only about half a cup of the stock, as the stock has a strong fishy smell that can overpower the flavor of the dish. Mussels are not commonly available in every fish market. You may find them in certain places around Mangalore, Katpadi, rare in Udupi and Santakatte. However, they are more commonly available around Sastan, Kundapur and Gangolli fish markets. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Also, another important point I would like to say that these mussels may generate a lot of body heat, so you can use ghee while cooking this. All the ingredients are ready. In another cooking pot, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 2 chopped onions and saute it for a while. So onions need to become slightly soft before you add other ingredients. You can prepare a variety of dishes using these mussels. You can prepare sukka just like the one I'm showing you here. You can prepare a pulimunchi, a slightly tangy curry. Then you can also prepare combination curries with vegetables by adding Malbar spinach and Mangalore cucumber. So there are varieties which I will share in my future video. So stay tuned. I just added 2 sprigs curry leaves, and next I am adding half inch ginger that is finely chopped and 6 to 7 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Add in 2 small tomatoes and continue frying. In case you have a pav bhaji smasher, it would be good if you smash them using a smasher. Now add 1 tablespoon of Rovina's chicken sukka masala. In case you don't have my powders, you can use any other chicken sukka masala, or even you can use buffet masala. I just added half cup of the stock that I got while cooking the mussels, and then after cooking it for 1 minute I am adding the mussels. So add the mussels at the end since they are already cooked. Mix it up well so that all the flavors get incorporated well, and finally add half cup of coconut. Once again give a good mix, cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then your delicious dish is ready. Enjoy this as a side dish or just mix it up with the rice and have it. It's super delicious. Thank you.